Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in content marketing and mastering the content channels, we'll discuss about one particular channel called eBooks. eBooks play a very important role in content marketing. eBooks actually drive conversions. eBooks actually get you more leads and eBooks actually get you subscribers, leading to more and more conversions. How eBooks will help you in content marketing and what are the tips that you can think of implementing as far as eBooks content marketing is concerned. What are eBooks? An electronic books or electronic eBooks is an electronic version of a printed book. It could be an electronic version of a printed book or without a printed book version. Some ebooks also come without the printed equivalent. Not necessary that every printed equivalent has to be there to get an ebook. Not necessary. Ebooks can come without the printed equivalent. Ebooks are also made available in PDF versions. A lot of books, a lot of ebooks are created by marketing professionals, by companies in terms of the PDF versions. These are basically the ebooks. How ebooks help in content marketing? Important point. Ebooks help in building authority in a subject, topic or technology. If you are a professional in any particular industry or niche and you have authority on that particular subject, what you can do is you can pick up one particular topic, you address that particular topic, you find the problem, you offer a solution, and you also tell us how actually you can offer the solution and the benefits of that particular solution. You create an ebook, create a Word document of 5 pages, 10 pages, 15 pages, depending upon the topic that you are discussing. Convert that ebook, convert that Word document into a PDF file and upload it on your website, blog or landing page or on social media. It is available free or you can offer a price tag to it. That is precisely what an ebook is all about, and it helps you in building an authority in that particular subject or niche. Ebooks build reputation as a subject matter expert and expert author. It will, the more you disseminate the ebook, the more you will be considered as a subject matter expert and authority and expert author in that particular subject. Ebooks are good resource given free to build mailing list. A lot of marketing professionals do this. They create an ebook, 5 pages, 8 pages, 10 pages on one particular subject. How to do this? How to do digital marketing in 2017? What are the future trends in digital marketing? Create an ebook, provide a solution. The most important point is don't write just an ebook for the sake of writing an ebook, just to get a mailing list, just to get some subscribers. There has to be substance in the ebook that you write. There has to be value in that ebook you write. There has to be benefits for the end user in the ebook that you write. Write an ebook, make it available for free. People come to your blog on the website, you give them the subscription. Hey, look, I have got this ebook that I want to share free with you. Just leave your email ID so that I can send it to you. People leave their email ID and the name, you send that ebook, and people can share that email, share that ebook, so that the more and more people will come to know of it. In that ebook, you can write everything about yourself also in the last page, on the top, on the bottom, on the side, and tell them what are the services, that solution that you are offering, and how people can get in touch with you. This is how you actually drive conversions. Ebooks can be a good credential to spread across multiple channels. Since you are called as an expert author, a subject matter expert, you can spread the information and let people know that this is your expertise. It actually boosts leads and drives conversion. The more the leads, the more the conversion. And this is how ebooks will help you in content marketing. What are the tips that you can think of implementing if you want to write an ebook? Deep research, identify the topic. You have to do a lot of research, deep research, and identify the topic that you want to write about. Research on the need for such a book. Research on the needs of why that book will actually help you in driving conversion, why that book is needed. Research on emerging trends on that particular subject. You need to have in-depth analysis, in-depth comprehensive knowledge on the topic that you are writing. Know facts and statistics, extremely important. When you are writing about emerging trends, you actually need to know the facts and the statistics, and they have to be real, genuine and authentic. Build chapters like narrating a story, step by step process, what it is, how it is, why it works, why it will not work, what are the benefits, what are the challenges and what are the features, step by step process. Ebook must offer solution and example how to. This is a very important. How to is what people want to know. If you explain a particular solution, you also need to explain how that solution will work and what the user should do to get that solution done. Images, infographics, charts, explain. Explain in images, explain in infographics and the charts when you are talking about a lot of information that involves statistics and facts. Offer ebook for free on website, blog and social media, and build an opt-in list. The more you offer the free ebook that you have written, the more the opt-in list, and people find it beneficial, they'll share the ebook and more people will come to you, engage and drive conversions. This is how you can actually create an ebook. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is an ebook, how ebook helps in content marketing, and what are the tips that you can think of implementing if you want to write an ebook. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.